Don't buy a laptop before you understand this. Most people waste money on the wrong specifications. In this video, I'll show you exactly what's really matter. Without wasting time, let's go. Why hardware specifications matter? Every laptop has a brain, memory, and storage. Those parts controls everything you do, from watching the video to editing documents. If one part is weak, your whole experience suffers. That's why they speak more importance than the price. Let's break down what's to look for. The brain of the laptop, the CPU. It runs all your programs. More power means faster performance. Look for names like Intel's for i5 or i7 or AMD Ryzen's 5 or 7. Avoid over CPUs unless your use is basic. For students, i5 usually enough. For video editing or gaming, programming, go higher. Also check the generations. Higher generations means better speed and low battery use. Avoid all generations CPUs like Intel 6 generation or 7 generations or all Ryzen's. They may be cheap but they slow your system down. Let's talk about the memory that helps your laptop multitask. The RAM means random access memory. The more RAM you have, the more things you can do at once. If you open Chrome, Visual Studio Code, Word, and YouTube together, RAM keeps everything fast. If your RAM is too low, your laptop becomes slow or freezing. For light use like school or browsing, 4GB is the minimum, but 8GB is better. For gaming, editing, or programming, go for 16GB or more. RAM is not the same as storage. Storage is where you save files. RAM is temporary memory for apps you're using now. The storage is very important too, where your folders, your applications, and your systems are saved. There are two main types of storage, HDD and SSD. What is the difference? HDD means hard disk drive. It's old style with the moving part. It's cheaper but slower. SSD means solid state drive. It has no moving parts. It's much faster, more silent, and useless battery. If your PC has an SSD, it starts up in a second. Programs open faster, everything feels smoother. If you only have an HDD, your PC may take a long time to boot. So what should you choose? For speed and performance, SSD is best. For cheap storage, HDD is good. Or get boot SSD for system plus HDD for big files. How much storage do you need? 256GB SSD is enough for most users. 512GB is better for you install a lot of applications. 1TB or more if you work with the videos or games. Another important part is the graphic card. You only need a graphic card for gaming or designing work. For daily use, built-in graphics are enough, but for video editing or 3D work, get a addicted GPU. Look for NVIDIA or AMD cards like RTX, GTX or Radeon. The next part is screen, your window to everything. Good screen changes your experience. 15.6 inches is the most common size. 17 inches for gaming or video editing. Look for Full HD or better. IPS panels offer the best viewing angles and more accurate color. Anti-glare coatings help reduce reflections in bright environments. So now you know how to read a laptop specification sheet like a pro. You'll be able to make a smart choice based on your real needs, whether it's for school, work, games, or creative projects. If you're still not sure which laptop is right for you, drop a comment and I'll be happy to help you choose the best options based on your budget and usage. And if you found this helpful, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.